In this video, we'll be showing you a very simple way to scan documents with only your iPhone. Now there are two main ways you can do this. You can do it with either the Notes app or the Files app on your phone. Beginning with the Files app, we'll open it up and then you'll want to click the three little buttons in the top right corner. Then select Scan Documents. This will bring up the camera and it will automatically capture the document that you would like to scan. You can then view the document in the bottom left corner. Here, you're able to see all of the scans that you have taken. Then, the last thing you want to do is make sure you hit Save in the bottom right corner. It will pull up a menu to where you can rename the document and also choose the location you would like to save the documents. We'll now show you how to do it within the Notes app. You'll want to start off by opening up a brand new note page. Then click on the paperclip and select Scan Documents. This is going to pull up the exact same format as it did in the Files app. The scanned documents can be viewed by clicking the box in the bottom left hand corner, and then once you're done taking all of your scans, make sure you hit Save in the bottom right hand corner of your screen and it will create a note with those saved PDF documents inside of there. And that's how you scan documents on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.